Hello, John here again with another episode, and this is episode 29. Wow. And we're still not finished yet. Anyway, so in the previous episode we did the speed test, and I was going to do some code tidying up, but the speed test, implementing the speed test, took slightly longer than anticipated, and I'm trying not to make hour videos, even though you guys, some of you guys do watch them. I try not to make hour videos. So in this one, I'm aiming small. Aiming small. Do something simple. 10-minute video. Done. Yeah, right. Okay, so in the last episode I said I was going to do some tidying up, some code reorganisation. Well, I did do that, and I did it off camera because I thought, oh, it's going to be boring to watch. It'd be a good idea for a stream. I'm playing with that. I'm playing whether I should start doing some streams every now and then. But, so I've done that, so I'll explain what I've done. And also, I want to, in this episode, it's all about making the landscape look a little bit familiar. Instead of just a line, I want to have it a bit more solid. So it means we've got to change, we've got to create some more characters, do a bit of jiggery pokery with the landscape model, and you're not going to like this, and I want to move the pads. I want to move the pads. Yeah. But it's not going to be as difficult or as Good, touching wood here. Hopefully it's not going to be as difficult as I hope it's going to be. No, I hope it's not going to be as difficult. Oh, that sounded wrong. I hope it's easy. That's better. Anyway, so I'll explain what I did with the coding. So here we go. So here's the main program. Yeah. So what I've done is, have you noticed how small it is? Look at the thumbnail. Look how small it is. And what I've done is I've put everything into the game flow. Everything. So here is the looper. So we wait until the raster's off the screen. Then we go into the game flow updater, and then we update the sprites, and then we literally loop back round, and that's it for this. So everything's now got into game flow. So I've created some more statuses called game retry, next level, update score, because that's basically the other bits that was been going. And I've also put all the stuff into status that we're in flight. So we'll look at in flight. So you should be able to remember this code here. There, that code there. Basically that was come out of the looper, and I've put it in here. So we're testing for demo mode. If it's not in demo mode, it comes here, then it reads and updates the variables. And I've been thinking of splitting this routine up. I've been thinking about it. Yeah. Update the sprite positions, update the status bar, and then we test whether we've landed safely, which was originally in here. Yeah. And that has made the main program smaller. So we've created some new routines, which is update game score. So this is basically when the lander has... Oh, we went through this in the last video. Yeah, it's part of the scoring system. Forget that. You know where that came from. Where is it? Where is it? Where is it? Splash screen. I did. Oh dear. Here we go. Game retry. So this is where we, you've crashed, you've dead, duff, end of story, we get you to restart. So retry is basically, this is where we're going to level up. Yeah, so each time you land, we're going to level up. So the game retries when you've crashed. Next level is where we'll level up. So this basically resets all the variables that need to be reset back to how they were. Yeah, so we get back the game variables for the level, we reset the scoreboard, we reset the sprites and stuff like that. And then the last one is next level. So this is where you've successfully landed. We've done up the update score, and then we go into a different mode, which is next level, which then loads the current game level, the current difficulty, and I've remmed it out because I want to be on easy all the time at the moment. But if we increase the game level, then when we get the variables next time round, we'll use the next level variables. So if you're on easy, it'll go to hard, medium, normal, and then if you're on normal, it goes to hard. And if we had any other levels, we could have very hard, extremely hard, impossible, mega impossible, you're gonna die. Hey, that ain't too bad idea. Yeah. Anyway, so we're not implementing the difficulty as you land. The whole point was to show that now everything is in this game flow. So the loop, the biggest area is in flight, because we're having to do all those tests and stuff like that. And some of the routines, I'm just wondering whether they're in the right place, but I'm not going to do anything just yet because I want to do a bit at a time. But that's what I've done. I did break it. Believe me, I did break it. While I was watching a few streams from friends, Shallan and Hayes, you know who you are. So I've tidied it up. It's effectively tidied it up, and as you can see, I've started comments. Yeah, would you believe it? Look, comments. I've started the comments. So I'm trying, and also I'm getting rid of all the defunct code as well, like this. You know, these rems, the code that I remmed out, that's starting to go. Alright, so I'm starting to polish this game into a sort of state where I can say, right guys, here's the basis of this game. Make it better. Make it so, as they would say in Star Trek. Anyway, so today's task is I want to make the landscape. I want to make the landscape a bit better. Right, so if I load the character setting, so that's our landscape, and I want to fill this. I want this all filled in. I want this all filled in, all this filled in, and I want to move it up one record. I want to move it up one row, because on the pads, I want to put a character underneath it that makes it that it shows that it's a landing pad. Yeah, they're the things we're aiming for. Yeah, so it means that we've got to do a bit of changing, bit of jiggery pokery, but hopefully not too much. So the first things first is we're gonna. Can I copy that? No. Right, let's copy it then. Let's copy it. Right, so new landscape, there we go. Copy that. Paste. Call it V2. Right, add existing file, V2. So this is the one we're going to modify. So first things first, I want to move it up one. Ooh, no, in the wrong mode, So we want to get into select mode, and I want to, no, in fact I want to do that, don't I? Select all that and then go shift up. There we go. So that's now shifted it up one record. And let's save that. Save. Right. So that's effectively changed it for that didn't move it to the right, did it? No, I'm fine. Thought I'd shifted it to the right then. So if I load the character map in, so this is our characters, and so now I've moved it up, I've got space that I can put something underneath it. So let's do one thing at a time first. So I need to change the print string in the memory. Here it is, down here. So we're on easy at the moment, and so this is the level 1 landscape, and you can see where it says down 8, we're basically doing down 7. So we should, if I run this, we should be 1 above the floor instead of being on the floor. I've turned off the what's it music. There we go, we're 1 off the floor. Now the problem is, God, that's a lot higher than it was before. Now the problem is, this is now, the detection will be in the wrong place now. Watch. So we'll make sure we're inside the see? So what we need to do is we need to make sure that our landing pads are adjusted. So we need to go back into the game memory. And here are our landing pads. So X is okay. So it's Y. So in this one, we're gonna, we've moved it up 1 record, and there's 8 bytes in a character. So we need to knock off 8. Oh, God, can't get my brain out. No, can't be bothered. Get the calculator out. Right. E4 minus 8. DC. Alright. So this is 8/4, so that's going to be 7C. Come on, John, get it right. And CC, ooh, it's going to be 2, isn't it? It's going to be C2. CC minus 8. Oh, 4. That's close. Right, so save that. So that now should have realigned all our landing pads in easy mode. We'll have to look at all the other ones and change them, but they have different sceneries as well. So here we go. Now let's get over there. Slowly catching on key. Ooh, nearly too fast. There we go. Good. So now we've readjusted the landing pads. Now the thing is in the memory we use these strings to build the landscape, and these strings are now going to be a lot more complex to do, because we need now to take this and we need to fill in and then convert it all into strings, because at the moment it's not. Now I don't want to take a K of memory up for every screen, because that's stupid. So I'm thinking of doing it in strings, but then we have to decide whether it's efficient or not. It's supposed to be a lot more efficient than loading in 1K screens. Yeah. So what I'm going to do is going to take a copy of our character set. Going to make that V2. Going to load it in here. Here we go. Load it up. And this is where we're going to mess around with our characters. So let's load our new character set in. There we go. And then we need to start making some of these characters. So this one here is, I think it's that one there. So we could fill in that like so. So if we do save and then load it in here, there we go. See what I mean? So, but some of these characters are used in many things, like let's have a look. That one, I think that one's used, isn't it? Yeah, it's here. Now this is going to have on different sides, so I'm going to have to make a copy of that character, which I think is that one there. I'm going to have to make a copy of that character. So let's copy it and put it, oh, so it needs to know where I'm going to put it. So we're going to put it in 205. So we need to copy that and put it into 205. Oh. No. Let's do that. Copy. Character 77. Oh, 77. Right, so we need to copy. Oh, is it gone? No, 68. It's there, isn't it? 68. Oh no! Undo, undo, undo! Close. Don't save. Let's do that again. So we want to copy that one. Come on. Click. That's it. Copy that one into 77. There we go. Can you imagine? Oh, that would have been stupid. Right. So this is the one. So we're going to fill in this side. Yeah. And this one, we're going to fill in this side. Right, so we'll do file save on that. We'll load it in here. See what I mean? So these are now wrong, so we need to find 77. There it is, so select that, and we're going to put it in that one, that one. Ooh, are they reversed? No, no, undo, undo, undo. They're right. It's these that are wrong. So I want white, white character colour white. White. Thank you. So we need to put one there and one there. That's it. Right, so that's that. So the next one, we'll do that one there, which is that one. Right, file save, load character. There we go. I think they're all right. Yeah, they're on the right side, so we're doing all right. So the next one we'll do is that one. It's the one with the little hump, which is this one. Yeah, it's done that. So let's see. It's that one, that's that one now, I think. So that will be that one. Oh, Wally. Yeah, such a Wally, John. Anyway, I think that mistake has saved me. Because I think that line is used elsewhere, isn't it? Just having a look. That's on the right side, that's on the right side, that's on the right. Yeah, it's on the right side, so we're fine. This time, mate, don't be such an idiot. Nearly did it again, didn't I? Nearly. They look like they're on the right side. So we're looking for another vertical line. That's that one. Now, is that being used elsewhere? Doesn't look like it. Okay. So 74. That's that one. Yeah. Now this one, we need to copy this one because we're using it here as well. Right, so that needs to be copied into 78. So that one needs to be copied into 78. So in this one we're going to fill in this side. I think my mouse batteries are starting to die. And then on this one we'll fill in this side. Nearly did it again. Right. Yeah, look, can you see? Right, so we need to fix those. So we're talking that one needs to go there. Oh, come on. Why are we on white again? There. There. Yeah, oh, two more. One here. One here. Any more? No. So we've got the same problem with this one. So we need to copy that to 79. So this one is going to be filled in this side. And this one is going to be filled in this side. There we go. Slow it in. Make sure, oh, it's back on cyan. Why is it not remembering, hey? Right, so that's worked. These haven't, so these need to be changed to that. So we're going to go that one. Oh, no, it's the one below, isn't it? There, that one, and that one. Any more? No, but I still think that that's being used, isn't it? Yes, it is. So we've got the same problem there, so we're going to have to do that with that one. Now what's that one? That's got the little hump in it, which is there. Copy, and it was 79, so it's going to be 80, I think, this one, isn't it? Well, what a shot. Right, so that one is going to be this side. This one, this side. Keeps changing. Right, so let's see which character. Right, that one's wrong, so we need that one to be like that, that one to be like that, that one to be like that. Oh, we've missed one. That's that one, isn't it? Better. Oh, and here as well. That is that one there. That's it. Right, looks like we're going to winner, but I think we still need to copy some, so we're at 80. I think this one's next. Yeah. No, this one. So copy that to 81. Right, so that should be there. Without that, that's how it should be. So we're going to fill in this side on this one. And then on this one, because we move that, we're filling in this side. And we've got another one as well, so I might as well do that. So it's 82 is the next one, so copy that to 82. And we'll fill, this one is going to be this side. And then if we go down to 82, that's going to be this side. Save that. Load it in. Right. So we've got these two that are wrong, so we need to go down to the 80s, don't we? 81, 82. So that one is going to be there. Oh, come on. Be there. So any more? Yeah, it's that one there as well. That looks right. That looks right. Are we all right on this side? Yeah. And then this one is there. And there. Oh, I've just seen. We've got this here as well, haven't we? And that one, but I think I've done that one, haven't I? Yeah, that's that one. That's it. But yeah, here. Oh dear, I haven't done those, have I? No, I haven't done those. Right. So we're at 83. So copy that. That's the one. Copy that to 83. And basically that needs to be reversed. So and it's this side. And there's the other one. So, done that one. It's not that one, is it that one? Yeah, it's that one. So that needs to be 84. So I think that's how it was before. Save that. And the next one is the opposite direction. So it's this one here. Copy to 85. Oh, have I changed the wrong one? Yeah, I did. Oh, you idiot, John. Oh well. Huh. I've just seen invert. Oh well, never mind. That looks too much. Yeah. One too thick. That's it. So that's that one, and then we've got this one at the bottom here, which is this one here. So 86. Click on there, invert. On the very last character as well. Oh well, never mind. Right, let's load a character setting because I think I've blown. Yeah, here we are. We've blown these up. So what I'll do though is, now I know that, we'll invert that one, and we'll invert yeah, that's too much. Okay. Right, load it in. Right, let's put it back. It's just these fellas here. So they're all the new ones. So that's that one. And of course it's put me in cyan again. That's that one. Then that one. And there's something wrong with that top one, so we'll sort that out. And that one. And then that one. So that's right. This one's wrong. This one here. So number 83 is wrong. It's too fat. So that was this one, isn't it? That one. Yeah. Copy that to 83. Alright, click on here, invert. It's better. These two look odd. Yeah. Problem is there's a gap, and we can't have that. So we'll do that, and we'll do that. Oh, we can have a gap. Yeah, there's nothing wrong with that. Next block's going to be a solid block. Yeah, there's nothing wrong with that. So that looks right now. Oh, the top. There we go. That's everything done. That looks okay. Right, so we'll save that. So it's just a case now of filling in the innards. Right. Oh my god, 40 minutes. I'm not going to go through trying to figure what the text out is on camera, because that's just going to be boring for you guys. I mean, god, it must have been boring just watching me do this. So I'm going to carry on doing this, and in the next video I'll do a quick recap of what I've done and what we're doing next. But what I will do is we'll create the new landing pad. So that's going to be on this one. So we'll clear all that, and what I want is basically like something like this to basically show it's a landing pad. If I go this far down and then do this, cool, can you hear the laptop spinning up? So we'll load up this. There we go. So that's the landing pad. And what I want to do is I just want to go, oop, better make it white. I want to go plonk, plonk, plonk. So they can see that it's a landing pad. Yeah, might make them different colours as well. I might. What's the colour of a landing pad? We'll see. We'll see. Right, save that before I lose it. Right, so that's what I want to do. So I'm going to fit the landscape. I'm going to convert that into Petsky string, put it into the program, and take it from there. So I hope you like what I'm trying to do here. If you do, hit that like button. If you don't, fine, hit the dislike button. Always leave me a comment, because I try and answer all. And if you like what I do and you would like to contribute to the channel, consider becoming a patron of mine. All the money raised in Patreon is used for this channel. And with that, I will say I'll see you in the next episode. Take care. Bye. I'd like to thank all the patrons that are contributing to my channel. Without you guys, I wouldn't be able to do what I'm doing right now. Thank you very much.